Good morning, everybody. This is Cody with Lifetime Commercial Roofing, and we are here in Sadler, Texas, diagnosing a noisy metal roof. So today's Tech Tuesday video is going to be about fixing noisy metal roofs. Okay, so this roof here was installed, I don't know, 5-6 months ago. Brand new metal roof, brand new house, and the homeowner's been experiencing a howling sound constantly every time the wind gets up over about 5 to 7 miles an hour. So initially we thought it was the front porch, so they sheathed the bottom side of the front porch, and that did not solve the problem. So we looked a little deeper, and what I found is under these panel ends, the closure strip is about 5 inches up from the end. So we have this 5-inch cavity here for the wind to just blow across, almost like a flute. So we get this whoo sound going across the roof. So today we're going to be removing these panels, this flashing, because we have to reset these panels and slide them over to make them look good. But while we're doing that, we're going to put foam closure strip right here at the end and seal that off, and that should take care of the whistling sound. Okay, so this is foam closure strip, a little piece of it. This goes underneath the flashing, as you can see here. It spans the ribs and fills in the gap. So when the flashing goes over it, the wind and rain can't drive up underneath that panel. Okay, so today also on this house, the problem we have here is this rib doesn't line up with this rib. So the porch roof is aesthetically displeasing because it looks like they put it on separately. And maybe they did, maybe they didn't. But they didn't take the time to line those panels up. So we are realigning these panels today to make it aesthetically pleasing.